Question speaks here, find the measure of an angle which forms a pair of supplementary angles with itself. So we have already learned what is supplementary angle, that we have a straight line, and straight line forms always 180 degree, right? And whenever two angles forms 180 degree, then that time both angles are known as the supplementary. Suppose this is your 50 degree and this is your 130 degree. Alright, so that time 130 degree and 150 degree is forming 180 degree. So that time 130 and 50 degree, this together will be known as the pair of supplementary angles, right? So this 50 degree and 130 is a supplementary angle. Similarly, here the question is asking, find the measure of an angle. There is an angle, alright, which forms a pair of supplementary angles with itself. So that angle is itself forming the supplementary angle, alright, itself. Like suppose my name is Anil, alright, and I am forming supplement with myself, another Anil. So the sum of supplementary angle is always 180 degree. So what is the value of me? What is the value of me? So what is the degree of Anil? What is Anil degree? So there are two Anil, alright, 2 Anil equals to 180. So what is the value of Anil? Alright, if I'm going to divide this side also by 2, this side also by 2, so 2 and 2 will cancel up, 2 times 90 degree. So the value of Anil is 90 degree. So 90 degree is itself what? The supplementary angles. But you don't have to do in that way, right? So 90 degree has the supplementary angle. How much? 90 itself, right? But the way of doing is something different. You have to do like, let x degree forms supplementary with itself. Therefore x degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. So here now 2x degree will be 180 degree. So x degree will be 180 degree divided by 2, that is 90 degree. I hope you understand this question.